Molweni, a short lesson, lesson number 4, about getting into a lift. This is a common occurrence in everyday life, and it is nice to be able to communicate with people as you get in and out. So you arrive at the lift and the door opens and you ask, Iyehla, Iyehla, is it going down? Iyehla. Alternatively, iyenyuka, iyenyuka. So hla to go down or descend, nyuka to go up or ascend. To which floor are you perhaps going? Uyaphi, uyaphi. Ndibheka phezulu, ndibheka phezulu. Bheka means to go in a certain direction, namely phezulu, upwards. Ndibheka ezantsi, I'm heading in the direction of the bottom, I'm going down. Uyaphi? Ndibheka phezulu, ndibheka ezantsi. Alternatively, you are going to a specific floor. Ndiya ku-5, ndiya ku-5. Or you get into the lift and you ask whoever is present, who might be nearer the set of buttons, to do the following for you. Nceda, please. Nceda, offer u5. Offer u5. Offer is to press lightly. Hla, go down. Nyuka, go up, ascend. Ya, just to go to a particular place. Bheka, head in a certain direction. Phezulu, up. Ezantsi, down. Ndiya, I am going to a particular floor. Offer, to press lightly. A short revision exercise on what we have just looked at and the telephone which went before. Ngu-andiswa lo uthethayo. Ngu-andiswa lo uthethayo. This is Andiswa speaking. Ndinganceda, ndinganceda. Briefly, can I help or be of assistance? Ngubani othethayo, ngubani othethayo. Who is speaking? Ndithetha nabani, ndithetha nabani. With whom am I speaking? Uxolo akekho, uxolo akekho. Alternatively, uxolo akakho. That is equally correct. Uxolo means sorry, he is not here or he is not in. Ndingathatha umyalezo, ndingathatha umyalezo. Can I take a message? Ndiza kuphinda ndifone, ndiza kuphinda ndifone. I will phone or call again. Unayo i-cell number yakhe, unayo i-cell number yakhe. Do you have his cell number? Andinayo, andinayo. I do not. have it. Andinayo. I-lift iyehla. I-lift iyehla. Is the lift going down? I-lift iyenyuka. Is the lift going up? Ndiya ku-6. I am going to the 6th floor. Nceda offer u6. Please press 6. Good. A short lesson then, and we will move on to something new next time. Enkosi kakhulu.